Good day, dear partners. How is business going? We'd like to show you little updates that we have on Simservers.io. So, first and foremost, I would like us to know that it's important for us to re-add our SIM cards, to add our SIM cards all over again on Simservers. So, I'm going to be showing us how to navigate around, adding your SIM card, and then how to set a quota, then how to vend, then setting up of your routing after adding the SIM card. So this is a new account that has just been created. So I'm logging in now to the account. So after logging in successfully, you navigate down to MTN share, manage MTN share. So from manage MTN share, you come down to add SIMs, add SIM. So from here, you name the SIM card. So I'll be naming my SIM card Raf. So the SIM card number. So this is the SIM card number here. So please make sure you have the phone very close to you and the SIM card inside the phone that you are trying to add. Then you select the option. So please make it active. So the service group are the groups of services that you want to be vending on Simservers. So I'm putting on just a WOOF and MTN share business. Then you click on proceed. So you get prompt to enter OTP. So OTP is going to be sent to the number that I imputed on the prompt. So we are waiting for the OTP so we can proceed. Okay, so the OTP is sent now. We have and then please make sure the OTP is being imputed immediately you get it because it expires. So after imputing the OTP, you confirm. So once confirmed, you get a prompt that SIM successfully added. You click on OK. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is setting up your quota. So since the SIM card has been added, you can just refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, it will bring the details of the SIM card. You can see the name that I used to register it. So how do you set your quota? So you click on set quota under action. When you click on set quota, so you can impute any amount that you want to fill into each of the quota. So this quota means that like the limit or the amounts that you have on each of these services. So for instance, the gifting quota, the amount you have, the VTU, the AWOOF quota. So the amount you have there, it is important you set them here, you impute it. So you are at liberty to impute any, either below or at the exact amount that you want to be charged. So let's say for instance, I'm putting 500. I'm putting 500 for all the quota now. Alright, for the airtime as well, I'm putting 500. Then you click on proceed. So you get a prompt that the quota has been set successfully. So after doing that, then we go to the settings page. Under your settings page, you go to setup panel. Then you click on API settings. So on your API settings, the default password is 1 in 6 places. Then you click on verify and continue. So right here, you click on add new API. So it is important we have an API where the services are going to be charged from, of course, from the network provider. So you click on add new API, then you click on vendor, select vendor. Since it is MTN SIM card that I added, you click on MTN automation and click on airtime and data and proceed. Okay, so we are getting this error because we did not complete the filling here. So what we did not add was the API name. So it's important to put API name here. So we can put, let's say for instance, I'm putting uh, Raphael. Then you click on airtime and data, and then you proceed. So now we get the correct response that we are expecting. As we can see, the API has been added for us successfully.